This is lesson number 5. I'm going to teach you how to insert multimedia like videos and audio files. Okay, so let's duplicate this last slide so we keep all the settings. So click on slide number 4, press Control D, and now let's just delete this text and this little text box too. Don't need that. Now click on Trees 3 and turn this and say Video. Okay, now we'll just put that up the top. And now we're going to put ourselves a video right here. Okay, so to do this, we say Insert, Video from File, and we are going to pick our resources for PowerPoint. So it should be under Images, and we're going to put this It's a Trap video in here. Now, absolutely not related to trees at all. It's from Star Wars, but we're doing it anyway. So press Insert. Should take a little bit of time to load. And there it is. There's our video. Okay, so it's not too bad, but you'll notice that there's some black lines above it, which we don't really want, so we can crop that out the same way we crop a picture. So you'll notice that the format settings are up here because we've just inserted a video. So if we say crop and then just drag those down a little, and this one up here, crop that just a little bit, we now have a nice cropped video. Now if we want it to sort of fit seamlessly into this background, we can even add some effects to the sides of the video. So I'm going to give it this little soft edge effect and press on that so the video kind of looks like it's softly mingled with the background picture. You'll notice it has its own little play bar, and you can even pick what you're going to do to start the video. So at the moment it'll just start when we click on it, but we can make it start when you press another button, or you can make it start just after a certain amount of time. Doesn't matter what you choose, but I'll show you how to do all of those. Okay, so at the moment if we press Shift F5, there's our video, and then we just click on it. Okay, and there's our video, and it just played no problem. Okay, so let's just say we want to change this trigger. We want to make a little play button. So if we insert a shape up the top here, and we're just going to type in play. Okay, now if we bold that, make it a little bit bigger, we've got ourselves a little play button here. Okay, so now if we click on this trigger, see the trigger? That is what causes this to play. So if we click on that drop down and say Effect Options, this comes up with some more advanced settings. Now if we go to Timing and then Triggers, it says Start Effect on click of the picture of the video, but instead we're going to change it to the rectangle that says Play. So now we've effectively told PowerPoint that to start this video you have to press the rectangle that says Play. And so we press OK. So that's our new trigger, and now if we press Shift F5, we can play the video by pressing the play button. It's a trap. Okay, and there we've created our own little button. Alright, other things you can do with triggers, you can make it so it's timed. So if we were to go here and go Effect Options, Timing, and then say Animate as part of the sequence, and we'll just say on click, press OK. Okay, so now it's going to play when we press something here. So we're also just going to add a bit of text so it won't go to the next frame. So we're just going to say Star Wars, and we're going to animate that in. Okay, so now if we press Shift F5, now we can just click anywhere. That should play the video. And now the next click will create our animation. Okay, so you can make the playing part of your standard clicking as well. Okay. So what I want you to do though is delete that Star Wars one down there, and we're just going to make this the trigger with the play button. So go to Effect Options again and change the timing back to Triggers, Start Effect on click of, and then pick the rectangle 5 that says Play and press OK. And now we have a video that plays with a play button. Okay, now the next one I'm going to get you to do is some audio. So let's once again duplicate. Actually, let's go to the top. We'll put some sound on our intro slide. Okay, so let's go insert, audio, audio from file, and once again let's go get our Year 8 PowerPoint thing and press on Breath of Life Mini and press insert, and I'll take a bit of time, and now we've got ourselves some audio. Now if you want to hide this little icon, you can drag it off screen, and now it won't be seen on your PowerPoint slide. Okay, once again this works the same way as the video does. So you can make it play by pressing on it, or you can make it play automatically. We want it to play as soon as the slide starts. So if we just say effect options and say start playing from the beginning, and start playing on click, say timing, say with previous. So this will start with nothing because there's nothing else on here, so it should start straight away. And then press alright. It should just start as soon as this slide starts. So if we press F5, so it works. So as soon as the slideshow starts, the music starts. Okay, and you can make that work exactly the same way as you did with the video. You can make it start on click. You can make it start on clicking something else. It's totally up to you. But for now, you're just going to make it so that it plays as soon as it starts. Okay, so your slideshow should have music on the first slide that starts as soon as the slideshow begins, and you should have a video file at the last slide that starts by pressing the play button. Once you've got those two, file, save as, and you're going to call it Lesson 5 Multimedia. Okay, and press save.